All right, today we're gonna bring a USB cable, and this is a USB from Type C to Type A. Now this is reasonable use for, and it's long. It's really long. It's about 10 feet long, if you guys can see that. Now this could be used to play your PlayStation. If you run out of batteries on your control, you could actually reach out with this one. This is perfect for that. Which normally I always run out of batteries with it, and not only that. Supercharger systems, you can do that from Type A to Type C. I do have a Droid that we're going to charge, and we're also going to charge our remote control gamepad. All right, so let's plug it in to the PlayStation, which I do have on. I'm trying to do it in one hand. You guys can see that. Look at this. Look at this long cord all the way over here. And now, when my battery runs out and I'm playing a game here, now I don't have to worry about the cable. Look how long the cable is. It goes all the way over there. And the controller's here. Look at that. And it's charging my controller. All right, so this is what you do. I'm going to show you guys. See that? It's charging. The controller is charging. Long cable, like I said, all the way over here, all the way here. Just see the cable. Look how long it is. All the way over there. All the way over here, and it's on my phone. It's charging my phone right now, if you guys can see. I have it almost fully charged right now, but this is perfect. Look at how long it is. It's 10 feet. It's really long, so that's one thing I like. I do like it. Look, plugged in.